This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing tutorials, or live day trades, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm currently watching Alibaba here, so it looks like we're getting quite a bit of buying pressure this morning. So I am going to look for a quick scalp opportunity, and I'm going to just use a small position size because Alibaba tends to have quite a bit of a spread most of the time. So just to be safe, I'm going to use a very small position size, looking for a long opportunity for a quick scalp trade. So I just submitted an order for 4 contracts at 107. You can see here we have a spread, and I was just filled here. So I have 4 contracts at 107. Let's see if the price of Alibaba can give us a quick push to the upside. I am all out of the trade here for a $130 profit, which equated to a 30% gain. So not a bad trade overall. We're just 7 minutes into the trading day. I hope you enjoyed this quick live trade, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.